thank you very much for listening and for being so attentive. This last song is called Valeria from Siberia, I think I call it, and set in Siberia. I think so. Okay. From Siberia, the wind is coming nearer. You listen with your eyes shut, and here comes in your song. Valeria from Siberia, put the shovel down. These swampy souls are sleeping, your oceans claim the ground. Oh, you don't need gold. Oh, you don't need gold. Like the southwestern wind, make his sweet song Valeria from Siberia, seeing you in this town of strangers on the cold and home you could ever be. Valeria, now it's clear the tragedy unfolding. The walls that lie beneath you and the place that you can find. Oh, you don't need gold. Oh, you don't need gold. But the southwestern wind blowing, make his sweet song Thank you.